What if I told you your leftover ham could turn into a masterpiece without spending hours in the kitchen? Today, I'm showing you 3 jaw-dropping recipes so easy, so good, you'll wish you had ham leftovers every week. It's the day after the cookout, and your fridge is packed with leftover ham. You're standing there wondering, what now? Well, get ready to transform that cold ham into 3 red, white, and oh so blue ribbon-worthy recipes that are so irresistible they might just outshine the original feast. And yes, we're going all in. Main dishes, sides, snacks, sauces, and even a festive drink to tie it all together. These patriotic leftover ham recipes are not just genius, they're practically magic. So don't even think about tossing those leftovers, because by the end of this video, you'll wish you knew these tricks years ago. And hey, before we dive in, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell, because Fun Food Stories brings you unforgettable recipes that turn every meal into a celebration. Comment below and tell me your favorite patriotic dish. We might feature it next. Now, let's make some magic with that ham. The first recipe will leave your guests speechless, even though it starts with leftovers. We're making a Stars and Stripes Ham and Potato Casserole. A comforting, creamy main dish that brings all the backyard barbecue flavors back to life in the most delicious way. Start by washing, peeling, and boiling 4 large Yukon Gold potatoes. Once fork tender, drain them, mash them with 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Pro tip: mash the potatoes while they're hot. Cold potatoes turn gluey, and we want silky smooth goodness here. Now in a separate skillet, sauté 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 small diced red onion, and 1 cup of chopped leftover ham with 1 tablespoon olive oil until everything is golden and caramelized, around 5 minutes. Layer the mashed potatoes into a buttered casserole dish. Spread the sautéed ham and peppers evenly on top. Sprinkle with 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese and half a cup crushed Ritz crackers for crunch. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until bubbly and golden. Garnish with chopped chives and a drizzle of homemade honey mustard cream sauce. Simply whisk together 2 tablespoons mayo, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Serve with a refreshing side of red, white, and blueberry slaw. A blend of shredded cabbage, julienne apples, and fresh blueberries, tossed in a Greek yogurt and lemon poppy seed dressing. Sweet, tangy, crunchy, and patriotic perfection on a plate. If this first dish surprised you, just wait. Recipe 2 is a flavor explosion in a single bite. And if you're loving this so far, go ahead and tap that like button. It helps more home cooks find these fun food stories. Now buckle up, because the second recipe is a snack that disappears faster than fireworks in the night sky. We're making ham and cheese firecracker pinwheels with a savory twist you didn't see coming. Start with 1 sheet of puff pastry, thawed. Spread a layer of garlic herb cream cheese across the entire surface. Add a layer of thinly sliced leftover ham, then a layer of provolone or mozzarella. Roll it tightly like a jelly roll and chill for 10 minutes for cleaner cuts. Want extra flakiness? Chill the pinwheels again before baking. This keeps the butter in the pastry cold and the layers puffier when they bake. Slice into 1-inch rounds and place on a baking tray. Brush with egg wash and sprinkle with everything bagel seasoning. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes, or until golden, melty, and crisp. Here's the secret trick. Serve them with a firework dipping sauce, a tangy combo of barbecue sauce, sriracha, and pineapple juice. It's sweet, spicy, and unforgettable. Perfect for parties, picnics, or midnight fridge raids. And if you're looking for a shortcut, try using crescent roll dough or whole wheat tortillas for a healthier twist. You can even swap in smoked turkey or veggie slices for a different spin. Make it yours. Let's quench your thirst, because this next pairing is everything. We're whipping up a sparkling cherry lemonade spritzer that screams summer. In a large pitcher, combine 1 cup tart cherry juice, half a cup fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons honey or agave syrup. Add ice, then top with sparkling water or lemon lime soda. Stir and serve with frozen blueberry and strawberry ice cubes for a festive flair. Make the lemonade spritzer ahead of time and freeze it into festive star-shaped molds. Melt in your mouth party magic. Garnish with fresh mint, lemon wheels, and patriotic paper straws. And suddenly, your leftover ham party feels like a brand new celebration. And now, drum roll for the grand finale. The third dish is a bold, beautiful red, white and BBQ ham flatbread. A show-stopping main that's ready in under 20 minutes. Start with store-bought naan or a homemade flatbread. Spread a generous layer of barbecue sauce over the base. Top with shredded leftover ham, crumbled feta cheese, cherry tomato halves, and thinly sliced red onion. Sprinkle with shredded mozzarella, then bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Once it's hot and bubbly, remove from the oven and top with fresh arugula, a drizzle of ranch or chipotle aioli, and a scatter of pickled jalapenos if you like heat. Want to make it healthier? Use a cauliflower crust, low-sugar barbecue sauce, or dairy-free cheese. For an extra crunch, serve it with a side of crispy sweet potato wedges, seasoned with smoked paprika, garlic powder, and a dash of brown sugar. Air-fried to perfection. Leftover ham freezes beautifully. Just portion it into zip bags and label the date. You'll have instant flavor boosters ready for next time. And those snack bars, freeze them for grab-and-go breakfasts all week. And of course, every party needs dessert. So here's your bonus snack hack. Red, white and chewy ham and cheese breakfast bars. Sounds wild. Just wait. Mix together 1 cup cooked oats, 1 egg, half a cup diced ham, a 1/4 cup shredded cheese, chopped red bell pepper, and a pinch of salt. Press into a greased baking pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Slice into bars and serve with maple syrup for the ultimate sweet and savory twist. So whether it's the creamy casserole, the crispy pinwheels, or the bold barbecue flatbread, you now have 3 go-to leftover ham recipes that'll keep the celebration going strong. Bookmark this video for the next holiday. You'll want to come back to these recipes again and again. And there you have it. 3 irresistible patriotic leftover ham recipes, plus snacks, drinks, sauces, and all the stars and stripes flavor your summer heart can handle. Who knew ham leftovers could feel so brand new? If you love these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fun Food Stories. Drop a comment and tell me which recipe you're trying first, or if you have a leftover trick up your sleeve, I want to hear it. And remember, every bite has a story, and you're the one telling it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next delicious adventure.